Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to refer a friend on Betmgm. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar, type in Betmgm. Once you press enter, you'll get this kind of results. From this, click on the first link, and then it will ask you to select your location. So from this list, select your location. Once you have selected your location, it will take you to its home page. On the top bar, you will see this option promotions. Click on it, then on this page, you have to find option for refer a friend. And as you can see this option, refer friends and rack up rewards. Click on it. Now in this page, it will show how to refer a friend. Follow this step-by-step process and then click on this button where it says refer a friend. Then it will ask you to log into your account, so enter your login credentials, then click on login, and once you have followed that process step by step, you will successfully refer a friend and both of you will be rewarded. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.